If you are looking to immigrate to Canada as a plumber, you are in luck. Plumbers are in demand across Canada, and you may be able to get a Canadian permanent residence visa with or even without a job offer. No doubt you will have read online that having a job offer to relocate to Canada is a prerequisite for entering the express entry process, but as a plumber you also have other options to get your Canadian visa as soon as possible. If you are yet to subscribe to our free everyday job alerts, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on notification to be the first to know about Immigrate in Canada. Or kindly visit our website at www.newbalancejobs.com for more info. The average plumber salary in Canada is $58,500 per year or $30 per hour. Entry-level positions start at $50,700 per year, while most experienced workers make up to $74,901 per year. Plumbers from around the world are eligible to make express entry for the Plumber Canada residency provided they have the right skills, experience and qualifications in their home country. Plumbers looking to move to Canada to work in NOC 7251 could be employed under work titles, including Apprentice Plumber, Journeyman Plumber, Plumber Maintenance and Repair, Maintenance and Repair Plumber, Non-Construction, Maintenance Plumber, Marine Plumber, 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 Piping, Apprentice Plumber, Plumbing Installer, Plumbing Mechanic, Plumber Radiator, Plumber in Residential Construction. The first step in your Canadian immigration process is to calculate your Canadian immigration points for express entry using the comprehensive Canadian ranking system. Age, skills, English ability, mastering French, your partner's skills, professional experience. In addition to providing you with important CRS points, these factors also count towards your overall immigration point score, which must be equal to or greater than a total of 67. Once you receive an ITA, invitation to apply, from CIC as a result of your express entry request, you will only have 60 days to file a formal request, so under no circumstances should you file an application for express entry. Express entry pretending to have certain points without first verifying all your points through various tests, equivalency certificates and skilled trades assessments. Once invited to apply for your Canadian visa, you cannot go back and have these things checked in retrospect. They must be done before claiming points for them, and given that your express entry profile is only valid for a year, it makes sense to present the best possible from the outset. From the UK, you'd be required to have a NVQ Level 3, while from South Africa you will need to hold your Red Seal. The requirements for migrating as a plumber to Canada is dependent on your home country, and you can check it up full requirements on the official website of the Canadian Immigration. You can also contact an immigration expert as earlier advised, as they are more than happy to represent plumber clients around the world, irrespective of your country or qualification. Feel free to contact one today for a full breakdown of your chances of immigrating to Canada. If you are yet to subscribe to our free everyday job alerts, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on notification to be the first to know about Immigrate in Canada. Or kindly visit our website at www.newbalancejobs.com for more info. General job duties of a plumber relocating to Canada. Plumbers moving to Canada should be able to demonstrate their knowledge or experience in the following areas. Read blueprints, drawings and specifications to determine the layout of the plumbing system, water supply system, and drainage systems. Install, repair and maintain household, commercial or industrial plumbing fixtures and systems. Locate and mark the positions of pipe fittings, through holes and fittings in walls and floors. Cut openings in walls and floors to accommodate pipes and pipe fittings. Measure, cut, bend and thread pipes using hand and power tools or machines. Join pipes using fittings, clamps, screws, bolts, cement or brazing equipment, brazing and welding. Test hoses for leaks using air and water gauges. May prepare cost estimates. Employment requirements for this job are: completion of secondary school is usually required. Completion of a 4 to 5 year apprenticeship program or a combination of over 5 years of work experience in the trade and some high school, college or industry courses in plumbing is usually required to be eligible for trade certification. Trade certification is compulsory in Nova Scotia, Prince Edward Island, New Brunswick, Quebec, Ontario, Saskatchewan and Alberta and available, but voluntary, in Newfoundland and Labrador, Manitoba, British Columbia, the Yukon, the Northwest Territories and Nunavut. Red Seal endorsement is also available to qualified plumbers upon successful completion of the Interprovincial Red Seal examination. Thanks for watching. If you are yet to subscribe to our free everyday job alerts, kindly click the subscribe button and turn on notification to be the first to know about Immigrate in Canada. Or kindly visit our website at www.newbalancejobs.com for more info.